I would be doing some voiceover. 64, right?
Correct.
64, 292 Ford Custom Cab, right?
Yep.
Okay, I just want to make sure I get my facts
So
straight.
the Y, it's got the 292 Y block.
Okay, ready? Alright guys, welcome back to Chris Peters DIY. We're going to start a new project now. We're going to have a series. We've got a couple old trucks, starting with this guy. It's a 64 Ford Custom Cab with a 292 Y block in it. So if you want to get closer here. A lot of work has already been done. I missed out on the first startup and I missed out on a lot of things for this, but we're going to start from here. We got a rebuilt carburetor that we're still getting ready to do a little repairs on. We got a brand new radiator. We got a brand new fuel pump. We got new points, new plugs, new wires. All that's been new. Eventually this whole thing's going to come out. We're going to reseal it. We're going to paint it. The whole engine bay is going to be gone through. We got a new master cylinder in it. We got new brake lines already through, new fuel filter hoses. A whole lot of work has already been done to this thing. I'm coming in second hand, but we're going to bring everything from this point up to you. So if you come around, get a good view of this, go around the side, I'll come around the other way. We're going to go through, we're going to do the interior, get the seats redone. We got some floor panels to do inside of here. It came with a factory 3 on the tree, and the previous owner went ahead and put a 4-speed on the floor inside of here. So we're going to leave that, I think. We're going to finish the floor, and you can see inside they didn't finish after they cut the hole in there. So we're going to do all that, fix up the dash, put a headliner in it, the whole 9. Come on to the back. It came with its own weight reduction. There's no bed, so we're going to go ahead and do a flat bed on this eventually. The brake lines came all the way back here. We got all new brake lines. Eric did a real nice job bending all this to the factory, putting brand new hoses in it. Rear end, we got a video coming out. We got the rear end done, the axle seals, pinion seals, U-joint, all that's going to be in the next video. But yeah, and we also got the exhaust right here. We got glass pack exhaust just to keep the noise down a little bit. So we missed out on a lot, but we're going to start from here. We've got another one of these. We've got a red one. That's a year?
63.
63, okay. I'll put a picture of it here if that works, if I can figure out how to do that. We'll also be going back and forth with that one. So as these continue, we'll bring you every little update. And the goal is to get these restored minus the beds. We're going to flat bed both of them, and we'll go through every step of the process, show you how we're doing it, all the way to start from this point to finish. So stick with us. It's going to be a fun ride.